Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalam O Alikum. Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start Mathematics SSC-II. Let's start the today lesson. New syllabus, PTB Book Foundation, Mathematics SSC-II, Unit number 1 in Quadratic Equation. According to SLO base or FBISC requirement, exercise 1.3, question number 15 and 16, part 5. In previous part, we can solve question number 14, 12 to 14. Now, we can solve the type 5 equation. Now, we can find the equation into reducible form of quadratic equation. Here we can discuss type 5. So in type 5, x plus a into x plus b into x plus c into x plus d is equal to k. Here we have two questions, question number 15 and 16 in exercise 1.3. Now let's start the today lesson. Question number 15 is given that x plus 1 into x plus 3 into x minus 5 into x minus 7 is equal to 192. Now, first of all, we arranging the like term. Like term mean both term have a same answer. If we add 1 plus 3, 4, but minus 5 and minus 7 is minus 12. So here we can arrange the like terms. Like term mean both have same answer. So 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4 and 3 minus 7 is minus 4. So arranging the like term from this above equation. Arranging like term, then 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 7 plus 3. So 1 minus 5 answer will be minus 4 and also minus 7 plus 3 answer will be minus 4. So first of all, arrange the pair in this form. So we can arrange two pair x plus 1 into x minus 5. Similarly, x plus 3 into x minus 7 into minus 192 is equal to 0. So we write that after multiplication x multiplied by x, x square minus 5x plus x minus 5 ones are 5. Similarly, we can multiplying next two term x multiplied by x, x square minus 7 multiplied by x minus 7 plus 3 multiplied by x 3x plus minus minus 7 3s are 21 into minus 192 is equal to 0. Now we can solve this equation. We have two pair x square minus 5 plus 1 minus 4x minus 5 into x square minus 4x minus 21 minus 192 is equal to 0. In this equation, we can see that first two pair have a same values x square minus 4 and x square minus 4. So let us consider as any other variable. Here let y is equal to x square minus 4x. So we have common these two factors. We arrange in this form x square minus 4x into minus 5 and x square minus 4x minus 21 into minus 192 is equal to 0. Here we can let us suppose that y is equal to x square minus 4. Put in this equation, then y minus 5 and y minus 21 minus 192. So two factors y minus 5 into y minus 21 into minus 192 is equal to 0. Multiplying the equation and opening the brackets, y multiplied by y square minus y multiplied by 21 minus 21y minus 5y minus plus 5 multiplied by 21 105 minus 192 is equal to 0. Then after this equation we can solving the equation. Here 105 and 192, then answer get 87. So we have y square minus 26y minus 87 is equal to 0. 87 ones are 87. We have midterm breaking of 26 into two parts. Minus 29 plus 3. Minus 29 plus 3 after multiplication is 87 and minus 29 plus 3 answer will be 26. So the equation change y square minus 29y plus 3y minus 87 is equal to 0. Taking common in first two term is y and second two term is 3. So y into y minus 29 plus 3 into y minus 29 is equal to 0. So we have two factor y plus 3 into y minus 29 is equal to 0. Either y plus 3 is equal to 0 or y minus 29 is equal to 0. Now continues the question. We have two parts. Either y plus 3 is equal to 0 or y minus 29 is equal to 0. So we have y is equal to 3 and y is equal to 29. But we can let y is equal to x square minus 4x. So change y into original variable. So in original variable we can put that x square minus 4x is equal to 3 and this equation x square minus 4x is equal to 29. So we write that x square minus 4x is equal to 3 and x square minus 4x is equal to 29. After that, we can arrange this equation in quadratic form. X square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x square minus 4x minus 29 is equal to 0. This equation can be midterm breaking, but here midterm breaking is not possible, so we let the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So after midterm breaking, this equation change x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. But in next equation a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 29 after comparing both equations. Here we can take the common x and minus 1. So after taking common x, then x minus x into x minus 3 and minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. And in this equation we use the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here we have two factor x minus 1 into x minus 3 and here putting the value of a, b, c. Now x is equal to minus into minus 4 value of b plus minus square root of minus 4 whole square. Value of b square minus 4 into value of a is 1 and value of c is minus 29 divided by 2a 2 multiplied by 1. Now here we can solve the two factor x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. And here we can solve x is equal to minus minus plus plus minus. After solving this equation 132 divided by 2. So 132 is written in the form of 4 multiplied by 33. Square root of 4 is 2. So x is equal to 4 plus minus 2 into 33 square root divided by 2. Taking common 2, then 2 into 2 plus minus square root of 33 divided by 2. 2 cancel out by 2. Then value of x is equal to 2 plus minus square root of 33. And here x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. So the solution set of required equation 1, 3 or 2 plus minus square root of 33. Now let's start the last question, question number 16, exercise 1.3. In question number 16, also in type 5 equation. So here given that x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 8 into x plus 5 plus 360 is equal to 0. Here we can arrange the values minus 1 and minus 2, minus 3 and also minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. So we can also give in this form given equation in the arranging like terms minus 1 and minus 2, minus 8 plus 5. So we can write the form into x minus 1 into x minus 2 or into x minus 8 into x plus 5 into plus 360. Now we can multiplying this equation, then x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 and multiplying both values x square minus 8x plus 5x minus 40 into plus 360 is equal to 0. Now we can solve that. Here x square minus 3x plus 2 and also x square minus 3x minus 40 plus 360 is equal to 0. Now we can see that first two terms have same values. So we can write that x square minus 3 into plus 2 and x square minus 3 into minus 40 into plus 360 is equal to 0. We can suppose that x square minus 3 is an other variable y. So let y is equal to x square minus 3x. Then we can write that x square minus 3 equal to y. So y plus 2 and y minus 40 plus 360 is equal to 0. Multiplying both values, then we have y square minus 40y plus 2y minus 80 plus 360 is equal to 0. We can solve the equation, then value is y square minus 38y plus 280 is equal to 0. Now the midterm breaking, then we can solve 28 multiplied by 10. Answer is 280 and 28 minus 10 both have 38. Now taking common first two term is y and second two term is minus 10. Then y into y minus 28 and minus 10 into y minus 28. Either 2 factors y minus 28 into y minus 10 is equal to 0. So y minus 10 into y minus 28 is equal to 0. Then y minus 10 is equal to 0 or y minus 28 is equal to 0. So we can write that y is equal to 10 and y is equal to 28. As we can write in original variable in the form of x, then y is equal to x square minus 3x. Put here, then y is equal to x square minus 3x is equal to 10 and also putting the value of y x square minus 3x minus is equal to 28. Now rearrange the values x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0 and x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 0. After rearranging, we can midterm breaking on both sides. 10 ones are 10, so 5 twos are 10. Minus 5 plus 2, answer will be minus 3 and 5 twos are 10. Similarly, 28 ones are 28. So 7 fours are 28. And minus 7 plus 4 answer will be minus 3. So after midterm breaking we can write that first equation x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0, and second equation x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28 is equal to 0. Taking common x from first two terms, then x into x minus 5, and taking common 2 from this term, so we can write that x into x minus 5 plus 2 into x minus 5. Similarly, common x, so x into x minus 7, and taking common 4, so plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now we have x plus 2 into x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. Then they have a two factor. After writing the values, then either x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 5. Similarly, x plus 4 is equal to 0 and x minus 7 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to 7. So the solution set of question number 16 is minus 2, 5, minus 4 and 7. Best of luck. Subscribe our channel for more exercise and more videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz.